Welcome. In this video I will show you how to share audio from your laptop to your Samsung the Frame TV using HDMI connection type. So in case of Windows laptops, you have to normally connect HDMI cable to your HDMI port, and the other side of the cable has to be connected to Samsung One Connect box. As you can see right here, I have it connected to the HDMI 1 port. Therefore, if you don't see your TV screen, if you don't see your laptop screen on your TV, you're gonna have to go to the sidebar, connected devices, and select HDMI connection. I accidentally selected the wrong one actually. So let's go to HDMI 1. And now, once your screen is being casted, there might be a problem that your audio isn't being casted to your TV. All you have to do is tap these three icons to open the open the control center, and then open the sound output by clicking this icon right here, the sound mixer icon, and then make sure that the Samsung option is selected. Then we can test the audio and see where it's being played, what it's being played out of. And in my case, the audio is being played out of the TV. And now let's switch to the MacBook. And in my case, I'm connecting the MacBook using a dock like this that has the USB Type-C cable in it, and also has the HDMI connection type port. And I will insert my HDMI cable into it, and then I will insert this dock into the MacBook using this USB Type-C connection type. And now what to do if your sound is being played out of your MacBook and not your TV. Simply open System Settings on your MacBook. Then in System Settings, you have to navigate to the sound. Here it is. Sound, and in sound find the output and change the output to Samsung. And now let's try to play the sound, or you can simply go to the control center and go to sound and change the output to Samsung. And now let's actually try to play something, because I don't know how to test this on MacBook. Okay, and I can clearly hear that the sound is being streamed from the TV and not the laptop. So I think that will be it.
Here we have to scroll all the way down to find.
So let me mute the TV. And that's basically how you do it. That's how you stream your audio on your TV from your MacBook, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.